So let me just first preface this by saying that I am not a pharmacist and I am not a pharmacological expert. And so this is really from a clinician's perspective, just gathering some information in a way that makes this area of drug herb interactions hopefully more clinically relevant. So just a little bit on P glycoprotein. Here's a picture of it. So basically what happens is, as I mentioned, it's a plasma membrane protein. And when cells encounter certain things that get absorbed into the cytoplasm, they can be a substrate for P glycoprotein. Not everything is, but the ones that are can then get ejected back out. So it's an energy intensive process. The reason for that I say that is because, first of all, non-clinical studies in animals are not always applicable to humans because there are really significant differentials, especially when we think about plants, between animals and humans. If we look at a mouse and what a mouse eats to stay alive, and evolutionarily what a mouse has been sort of selected to avoid eating because it could cause its demise, is going to be very different than humans. Mice are living on the ground, living in the ground, in and around plant roots, fungal organisms, etc., in a very different relationship than we are. Okay, next one is piper nigrum or piperine, so black pepper. So this is important to know about because it's used to enhance the absorption of other botanicals, notably turmeric and curcumin in turmeric. So piperine is an inhibitor of 3A4 and 2D6 and also P glycoprotein in vitro. Piperine also inhibits UGT in the intestinal epithelial cells, which therefore could inhibit phase 2 detoxification, especially in the intestines. So that's in vitro. In clinical studies, every prospective human clinical trial that has looked at black pepper's effect on drug pharmacokinetics has in fact demonstrated a profound increase in the oral bioavailability of the drug. All right, so that's kind of the end of my, here's some examples, but I want to share with you how I got there so that you can do this work on your own because I can't anticipate what herb and drug you're going to be interested in knowing about. So the first thing that I do is review the pharmacology of the drug. So there's lots of databases that are available to help you do that. Up to Date is available. You have to pay for that subscription. You can often just go online and put in the name of the drug and then type metabolism or CYP, CYP, metabolism, half-life, and you'll get that information. So now you're armed with knowledge about what enzyme you're worried about and how long that drug is being metabolized